Okay, so for page 9, they want you to cut some green cardstock at 5 1/4 by 3 1/4. And then for page 10, they want you to cut some orange cardstock at 5 1/4 by 3 1/4. But because I added, again, the eyelet closure, I had to make mine at 4 1/4 instead of 5 1/4. If you don't put your eyelet closure on, you can make it at the 5 1/4. And one thing about this is to put the sticker on the flap. If the eyelet closure is there, it's hard to put that beach ball on. I'm going to try to see what I can do to adjust the ones that I've already made and see how that will work. Anyway, so you do need the beach ball from your stickers and the orange starfish above it, and you also need the umbrella and the umbrella stick that goes underneath it. And I think that's it. I'm going to put it together. Okay, so this is page 9 finished and page 10 finished. And I went ahead and put the beach ball on top of the eyelet cover, and it just pops up a little bit. It looks kind of like a pop dot, so I'm happy with that. And I used a couple different sayings in the other ones, but they're finished. I need to do page 11 and 12, and I will be done. For page 11, they want you to cut green cardstock, and I couldn't find the green that I wanted to go with the picture, so I went ahead and cut it out in sky blue. And they want you to cut it out at 5 1/4 by 3 1/4. And in doing so, you cover up the sun, and that's great if you want your picture to be larger, but I wanted my picture to be smaller. So I cut mine out at 4 1/4 by 3 1/4. But obviously you have a lot of space there to work with. And then on page 12, they want you to cut your white cardstock out at 7 by 3 1/4 inches. And the other things that you will need on these two pages is you will need a sun, and because again I only bought one packet of stickers, I do not have the original sun that they wanted in the kit, which is right there. And so what I've done is, because I have many of the clear plastic die cuts, I'm going to cut, this is a piece of taffy, I'm going to cut the clear ends off, and that center is going to be my sun. And then you also need a sun for page 12. It's the clear die cut. And you're also supposed to use a red starfish, and I didn't really like it. And so I used a red snail from the summer pack. And I'm going to be putting the rest of it together so you can see how it looks. Okay, this is what it looks like when it's finished with the ribbons tied on the key rings. There are turquoise, yellow, and orange ribbons tied onto the key rings. And I'm finished.